Hey, how you doing, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to change a cabin air filter on a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek. It's real simple, so let me show you how. This is the cabin air filter I got from Amazon. Locate your glove box compartment, open it up, and take everything that you have inside. Take it out, and then on the side, you're gonna come to the side. You're gonna have this. You're gonna have this thing over here. You're gonna push it to the side. So you're gonna pull it out, pretty much. Push it to the side or pull it out. Lift the glove box a little bit, so you're not putting too much pressure on this. Push it up, push it out, just like that. See, I did it with one finger. It's not that hard. Now that you release, and what you gotta do next is push this to the left, to one side, and push that to the over here, to this side, and that should come off just like that. The air filter should be right there in that white box. Okay, after you drop the glove box, this is the air filter box. This white box right here, as you see, it says up. And how you open this, you know, squeeze right here, squeeze these two things, pull it to the side, squeeze, pull it to the side, and that should come off. Now let's look at this nasty filter we have inside. Can't remember the last time it was changed. So let's see how dirty it is. Let's wiggle a little bit. Oh wow, look at this. This is why it's smelling dusty and musty sometimes. So I recommend you to do that to your car once in a while. Look at that. It's all kind of things inside there. Look what the new one looks like, and look what the old looks like. So it's a pretty big change, pretty dramatic change, if you ask me. Plus I lived in a dusty area, so that explains a lot. Alright, so we took out the old one. I'm gonna put this one in, the new one in. Always follow the errors. The airflow is coming down that way. Push it in, and I'm gonna put it back. So I'm gonna put the top part first, just like that. I'm gonna push and push, and that's it. And we're gonna put this glove box back into place. So we're gonna just repeat the same process, but just backwards. Instead of pushing it in or pushing it out, we're gonna push it in this time. So just gonna repeat the process. Push it in. It should lock. All right, it should be good to go. Now remember to put the one on the side, right? So what you wanna do, lift this a little bit, and place it like that. Now close it, test it a few times, nice and smooth like always. Boom, that should be it, guys. As you see, guys, it's real simple. It took me probably 10 minutes recording and doing the whole process. You guys should be able to do it less than 10 minutes. It's real simple. Why would you pay money at the dealership when you can do it yourself? Remember that. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next video.